Welcome back to Thek Unlimited, where tech hacks actually work. We all have that one drawer, a graveyard for old smartphones. But before you let that perfectly good tech go to waste, what if I told you it holds the key to securing your home? That's right, we're not throwing it away. We're giving it a powerful new purpose, turning it into a fully functional smart security camera. Today, I'll show you how to monitor your space, stream footage, and even get motion alerts. I'll guide you through choosing the right free app, setting up your old phone, and accessing features like two-way talk and cloud storage. It's a complete home security solution. And the best part? It's all completely free, using the hardware you already own. If you love finding smart uses for your old tech, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. We drop new hacks daily. Security cameras are expensive, but if you've got an old Android or iPhone lying around, you already have the hardware. Let's repurpose it with free apps and smart settings that give you full surveillance power, without spending a dime. Ready for the magic? This is where your old phone gets a new life. Instead of spending hundreds on a security system, we're building our own for free. It's a brilliant way to upcycle old tech and gain peace of mind. Step 1. Choose a free security app. First, you need the software to transform your phone into a vigilant watchdog. There are fantastic free options available. We recommend a crowd favorite for both Android and iOS, making it super versatile. A powerful choice if you're in the Apple ecosystem. Or for Android users who like more technical control. These apps turn your phone into a live streaming, motion-detecting camera, often with two-way audio and cloud storage for recorded clips. Step 2. Set up the camera phone. Now, let's prep your old device. Install the app and set it to camera mode. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi network. A strong signal is key for smooth video. Mount it facing your entryway, workspace, or valuables. Use a small tripod or a flexible holder to get the perfect angle. And this is crucial. Plug it in to avoid battery drain. Streaming video is power hungry. Step 3. Monitor from your main device. Install the same app on your current phone, selecting viewer mode. Log in with the same account to link the devices. Instantly, you can view the live feed, get motion alerts, and even speak through the camera. You can check on packages, say hi to your dog, or startle an unwanted guest. Pro tip: adjust the motion sensitivity in the app settings to avoid false alarms. Want to go stealth mode? Disable screen timeout, turn off notifications, use a phone stand or hide it behind objects. Also, enable motion detection and cloud recording if available. Some apps offer it free for limited use. Old phones still have great cameras, Wi-Fi, and processors. Instead of letting them waste away, you're turning them into smart devices that protect your space. Perfect for dorm rooms, offices, shops, or even monitoring pets. And there you have it. Your old phone is now a fully functional security camera, giving you peace of mind without the hefty price tag. I'm genuinely curious to see your creativity at work. Are you monitoring your front door, keeping an eye on a mischievous pet, or watching your workshop? Drop a comment below and let me know where you set up your DIY security cam. The most creative setup gets a shout out. We're all about breathing new life into old tech. If you love discovering practical hacks that actually work, do yourself a favor and hit that button. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the new projects we drop every single week, packed with tips you can use right away. Speaking of which, you won't want to miss our next episode. We're unlocking a hidden feature that turns your smartphone into a powerful wireless remote for your PC. Until then, stay secure, stay smart, and keep hacking. This is